Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. Welcome back to Precious Lifestyle. In today's video guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this simple bonite as I take a moment to admire this. Wow, like yeah. I'm going to be showing you guys how to achieve this simple and beautiful bonite guys. If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Like this bonite, I'm feeling it, without further ado guys, let's jump into the video. My hair off camera. I braid the back off camera. Sorry for that guys, I braid it off camera, so I hope you guys can see it very well. So we are going to be dealing with this, and first of all I'm going to comb it. This is the comb I'm working with. So those are I'm using this gel guys because this gel don't give you the white stuff at the down of your hair, so that's why I'm using this gel. I love it very much. I'm going with this wig. I bought this wig on AliExpress, so I'm working with this wig. I'm just going to braid my hair first. Because we need our part to be obvious, so very simple, guys. You can do this at home. You can try it. It's very simple. It's not that difficult. The main focus of this hair is just the pin, so you can click it down so the hair will stick to your hair. So this is the finished look, guys. Yes, guys, this is the finished look of the hair, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, guys, please don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the bell notification so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. This is the finished look, guys. This is the finished look. Yeah, that's the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next video. Share this video, guys. Share to your friends, share to your family member, share to anybody you care about. And please, guys, try this method at home, and I bet you will enjoy it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.